if we're not going to go back sa loob ng parallel channel and we see a consolidation, okay, si Tipay, makikita mo yung line ni Tipay na blue and yellow. Blue na yan, tsaka tong yellow na to, magko-cross lang yan. So si yellow flat, si blue, pwedeng gumanon ulit yan, magtahi-tahi. So this is a consolidation. Okay? For me, that can be a bullish consolidation. Ngayon, yung consolidating market, this is really a challenge for our Tipay trading system because our Tipay trading system is a trend following system. So pag nag-consolidate po yan, challenge kasi takaw sa whipsaw. Just look at the general trend. Kung, for example, ako, bullish ako kung hanggat di yan bumabalik dito. So, I'll just look for long. Saan sa 5-minute and then 3-minute time frame. Alright? So, malinaw, no? Malinaw yung plan, yung system. Okay? So, ito, of course, halimbawa, kung bullish ako, I will not short this. I'll ignore all the shorts. Titignan ko na lang magkaroon ng long and bulls. Most probably, kung, tapos, of course, I'm gonna look into immediate resistance. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo kanina yung resistance, no? Ito pong area na to, SR flip. So, and then the pivot. So sa gold kasi, ang pagte-trade natin sa gold are scalping, no? So mabilisan. Follow for more Tito Moves.